Hi, I'm Mehul with DevExpress. In this video, you're going to see a new feature of our ASP.NET HTML editor, the Aspx HTML editor. It's called the Document Selector, and it allows your end users to easily insert links within HTML documents. Before, they had to type them in with HTTP, www, and they can get it all wrong. With this, they have a dialog. And the best part is we've integrated our ASP.NET File Manager that allows them to not only select files from the server that you expose, but also to upload their own files, if you so choose. So, let's check it out. In the next major release, we've got a new Document Selector feature for the Aspx HTML editor that will help your end users insert links with ease. So let's check out this demo. The first thing is, let's say we want to add a link right here. What your end users will typically do is click the Insert Link dialog, and they'll get the Insert Link dialog that you're used to now. And from here, they have the option to insert a URL or an email address. So let's insert a URL. Now, you have the option to give them the Aspx file manager that's integrated within that, so that when they click the ellipsis button, they get the full ASP.NET file manager from DevExpress. Now, this allows you to expose files from your server to your end users, so that, for example, if they wanted to insert a link to a particular PowerPoint presentation or a particular market sales report, or even give them some customability, but I'll get to this in a minute. ASP.NET File Manager gives them the capability to not only add a particular file, but they can also go further and filter and look for a particular file. So I can put in something like product, and it will find me all the files that are named product review. And then I can simply select the file, click the select button, and now the link is automatically grabbed for me. I can give some contextual information as well. So instead of just showing a direct link, I can give it a particular text. So this can be called product review. And the tooltip will be the tooltip given when the user mouses over that link. So we'll give it something contextual like document of the product review. And finally, I can select whether I want the link to open in a new window or not. So I'll click OK. Now I have the product review as well as my tooltip. Now, another really powerful feature of using the ASP.NET File Manager is to give your end users the capability to insert their own files. So say, for example, I wanted to allow the end users, or let's say as an end user, I want to be able to upload a file. What I'll do is I'll simply select Enable Editing and Enable Upload. And this is similar to enabling features in the ASP.NET File Manager. So I'll get to how you actually enable this feature, but let's say once we enable this upload, what will happen is they'll go through the same dialog, and when they go and click to select the file, they can go to a particular folder that you've allowed them to upload to, and they'll see this feature that says upload. So first thing is I'll select the file I want to upload. So I'll browse, and I'll select a file from my document library here. I'll select this ASP.NVC2 release notes, and I'll select upload. Now, what it tells me is that I've already got this file that exists on the server. So because I've enabled editing, what I can do is I can actually select the file that I have on the server, and I'll delete it. And now I'll go back and I can upload that file again. I'll select upload, and you'll notice that the file has been uploaded to the server. Now I can select this file. It's the ASP.NET MVC2 release notes. I'll select that, and I'll just call it the MVC2 release notes. And I'll use the same for the tooltip. Select OK. So as you can see, this makes it very easy for your end users to insert links, so they don't have to go in here and type HTTP:/ and get something wrong. Now finally, to enable this feature is actually very easy. What we've done is we've enabled it so that you can simply select a property called the Document Selector under Settings, and when you set it enable to true, you have access, and then you can go on further and customize it, because another new feature we've introduced in the ASP.NET File Manager is the capability to control permissions for which folders can have upload
and write capabilities. So as you can see, we've said that only the upload folder is allowed to be uploaded to. Otherwise, everything else is being denied.
So as you saw, the ASP.NET File Manager gives you a lot of capabilities. It lets your end users do things like editing files if you want them to, or upload to a particular folder. Now this feature is coming out in the next major release, 11.1 or 2011 Volume 1. Thanks for watching.